Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato pepper soup. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 2 bell peppers of any color, and 1 large onion. Make sure to wash, peel, and dice all your vegetables into roughly 1-inch pieces. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's start cooking our delicious soup base. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften and become fragrant. Next, incorporate your cubed potatoes into the pot. Finally, pour in 4 cups of rich vegetable broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. This step builds the foundational flavors. It's time to infuse our soup with wonderful flavors and achieve the perfect texture. Season generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like thyme or bay leaf. Reduce the heat and let the soup simmer for approximately 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. For a creamier consistency, you can carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup before stirring it back in. This adds a lovely richness. Your homemade potato pepper soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully ladle the steaming hot soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, consider garnishing each serving with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a dollop of creamy sour cream. This comforting and hearty soup is perfect for a cozy evening and typically serves 4 to 6 people, making it ideal for sharing with loved ones. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.